Hey everyone, it's Dan with Art of Overnight, and we're at Hanauma Bay. I did remember to bring my snorkel gear, so let's hit the coral reefs and see what we can find. Let's go. I got a chance to go out snorkeling, and I saw a sea turtle. Swam alongside the sea turtle, making sure to keep my distance. That was really cool. Saw really big, bright and colorful fish, all sorts of fish, big ones and little puffers. And I stepped out because I just wanted to take in and soak in some of this view. Check this out. Hey everyone, so just soaking up some sun on the beach, and just check out this view behind me. So walking up and down the beach, I was able to catch like a miniature like mole rat come out and scurry along the bushes. That was pretty cool. Then I took a walk past the bathroom and I saw these two pigeons, and they were like in sync and with their beaks. It seemed like some sort of dance. And then look what happened. I think he just hopped on top and got in and left. Quite awkward to walk in on that. Didn't mean anything by it, but it just goes to show you the type of environment. It's very quiet. It's beautiful here. The animals, to the waves, the water, and just all the facilities that they have set up here make this an easy trip to do. I paid about $7.50 to walk in the door and $1 for parking. What a great afternoon activity to do. If you have a chance to stop on by, make sure to do that. Thumbs up. Taking some time to walk along this path, and they have tables set up, very clean. We reached the very edge of the beach. We walked from one end to the other, can't go any further. Thanks for following me here at Hanauma Bay. I'm going to wrap things up and take you guys on our next adventure. Peace out, Kauai.